Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Those people who have seen my website, Azaan transmitter and receiver.com, where I am explaining my new digital system. This digital system allows you to broadcast Azaan, Bayaan from Masjids to people at home. Of course, presently, very large number of masjids in England are transmitting on analog system. Analog system is where you get a license from Ofcom. After that, you install an analog machine in the masjid attached to the PA system, and then you have an aerial fitted outside. All that is quite cumbersome. All that is very, very cumbersome because you have to get a license. License takes good 4 weeks, 5 weeks nowadays. Takes a long time. And that license fee you have to be paying the license fee every year. And the range of this analog system is very limited indeed, very limited, because it depends on what power you get. Especially in London, you're lucky to get 2 watt to 5 watts. That could hardly reach a couple of streets. That's about all it can reach. To counter that, I've got a digital system. It's a new system. I don't think anybody in the UK has got this. So I'm going to briefly explain what the digital system is and how it works, so that it's clear in your mind. First of all, you don't have to get a license from anybody. All you have to pay is a server fee every year. That server fee covers you broadcasting for a year, and every year you renew that fee. The system doesn't require any cabling, doesn't need any aerial outside. It doesn't need any license from Ofcom, doesn't need any permission. You can broadcast 24/7. There's no limit on time either. With the Ofcom system, you've got a limit of, it's really strictly speaking only for Azaan, but we all put bayans and stuff on it. But this system does have no limitation whatsoever. You can broadcast it as long as you want, and nobody will ask you a question. But it works on internet, so if you like, it's got these drawbacks as well. Let me just go through how it works. What you have is that I will come to your masjid and install one of these Android box, and then I'll connect this Android box to your PA system. But in the PA system, in the masjid, you will have to have internet. I mean, you must have a router, and you must have an Ethernet cable going into the router, which I will put in here. Okay, and then I will somehow manage it, do my technical bit, and connect to your PA systems, and then it'll be switched on permanently. So every time you switch the sound on from your PA system, it'll just go out. So what do people at home do? People at home, they have a receiver. So they'll have a similar sort of thing. They'll have that kind of Android box at home. They'll have a power supply, which you connect to here. There's your power supply. You connect that at home. And then with one of these box, I will give you one of these speakers. This is a speaker. It's a robust speaker, very heavy, very powerful indeed, 5 watts of power. So it's not like the analog ones you buy at home. This is an extremely good speaker. The volume level is very, very high. You switch it on here.
Bluetooth mode.
And then you get like lit up things on there. So if you want to adjust the volume, you simply go plus and minus. If you can see it on the video. So you just put your finger on either plus or a minus, and you can adjust the volume level. This speaker will be connected to that by a couple of wires, which I will give you. I'll give you all the instruction to the masjid secretary or masjid chairman, whoever deals with it, as to how to set it up in every house. It'll be good if every house can connect an Ethernet cable in here to the router. If not, there's another way of connecting this to the home Wi-Fi, and that way it will connect to internet. And every time the masjid broadcasts one of these, at home will pick it up. You leave this on permanently. You don't touch it. You just adjust the volume as and when it's required. Anytime and every time the masjid switches on the internet system, it will receive the Azaan, the Bayaan. The beauty of this one is that it doesn't know any limit. You can hear it anywhere in the world, not just your own town, anywhere in the world. You can hear it from England, you can hear it just anywhere. India, Pakistan, South Africa, Canada, USA. It's just worldwide. And that's the beauty of that. So I think I've explained enough.